I was just looking for something fun and productive for the kids to do this summer, and I found an amazing deal at Master Baez Martial Arts. Only $149 for new students.
Really? That sounds amazing. Does it include the full program?
Yeah, it's a full summer program with classes twice a week. It's a great way to keep the kids active and learning something valuable.
That's such a good idea. My daughter's been curious about martial arts for a while. Do they take beginners?
Absolutely. It's open to all levels. Grand Master Baez has over 50 years of experience, and he's fantastic with kids. The school's been serving the Cooper City community for more than 30 years.
I love that. And it's a safe environment, right?
Totally. They teach discipline, respect, and confidence. Plus, the kids have a great time. It's the perfect balance of structure and fun.
With that price and everything they're offering, it's a no-brainer. How do we sign up?
You can call, stop by the school, or just visit their website at masterbaez.com. Everything's there, but we should hurry. Spots are limited for this summer promotion.
Awesome. I'm signing my daughter up today. Thanks for the tip.
Exactly. Let's give them a summer they'll never forget, stronger, more confident, and ready for anything. Visit masterbaez.com and take the first step today.